You want to see the duckies.
There you go. I saw it. There's a bird.
Nice.
There you go. Sige, kaya mo yan. Lakas ang amat. So, bumalik sa pagkabata. Oh. Ang ganda rito ang kachopa. Oh, ang ganda naman ng ano na to. May genie lalabas yung pagkabit ko. Yes, adik na to. Hi mga kachupapis! Welcome back to my vlog! Nandito tayo sa aming lake. Dito sa aming lugar. Actually sa aming mga kachupa, dito sa lugar namin, meron kaming malinis na lake dito. Parang siyang dagat, pero lake siya. Kaya super laki. Connected ko sa ano, sa mga kachupa, sa Chicago. Tapos connected din siya sa Michigan. Sa kabila niya sa Michigan. Doon naman sa dulo ay Chicago. And then, doon naman is Michigan na rin. North, nakalimutan ko na kung ang pangalan nun. Dito kami ng asawa ko mga kachupa. Ayan yung asawa ko. Naayos niya yung binocular niyang binili sa Goodwill. Ayan mga kachupa. Ang daming naliligo mga kachupa. Very fresh. Very mainit. Tapos yung aking paa nakatapak sa buhangin. Nakaka-relax. Mga kachupa. Ayan, katapak. Ang ganda mga kachupa rito. Very refreshing. Yung asawa ko nagbabalak-bulaklar lang. Yan mo. Ano niya? Ano nakita mo? Pandahan lang tayo maglakad dito. Nakakatakot. Kasi may mga shell. Ayaw kachupa oh. May mga shell pa siya. Yung iba, actually hindi naman siya yung nakakatakot na shell. Maliliit lang siya. Kaya lang yun ngayon natatakot ako eh. Ayan oh. Tulad yan. Kaya lang pag tinapakan mo mga kachupa, lumulubog naman. So, ayan yung ating mga kapitbahay, mga neighborhood. Mga kachupa, pag pumunta ka rito, libre lang to. Kahit mag-swimming ka, maghapon, magdamag, libre lang. Diba? Malinis, di tulad sa atin, no? Daming kalat. Dito wala ka makikitang kalat, mga kachupa. Oh. Very clean. Very nice. Oh, diba? Bandang dulo, medyo blue na yung tubig. Pero dito, clear pa. Ayoko basahin yung paa ko, mga kachupa. Kasi pag binasa ako yung paa ko, tapos dumikit yung buhangin, nagpuputik na. Kaya ayoko basahin. Kachupa mamaya feeling ko gusto ko magluto ng adobong baboy. Very easy.
Yeah, that's too far. I can't see all the way over there. But you can see to the lighthouse.
Lighthouse only, but it's not so clear, no?
You gotta focus it to be more clear.
Ang ganda rito mga kachupa. Sana may ganito rin tayo sa Pinas. Ano naman tayo? Boracay. Kaya lang mahal bago makapunta ron. Kailangan mag-book ng hotel dahil, diba? Puro hotel yung mga nandun. Tsaka malayo kami sa Boracay. May aeroplano ka pa. Dito, libre lang. Ayan na, oh. Boracay na Boracay. It look like Boracay.
A little bit.
Oh, hold my camera.
Look, it's more clear now.
Oh, how do you change it? It's so clear. Did you wipe it?
Yeah, I cleaned it, and then you gotta fix the focus.
That's cool.
You see it?
Yep.
It's very clear.
Well, I want to see the duck here.
You want to see the duck? You want to see the duckies?
There you go. I saw it.
What are they doing?
Itching.
Itching?
Ang ganda mga kachupa. I'm glad you bought this one.
A lot of people use it to watch like birds, animals, squirrels.
Sana, I hope there's a building there so we can see.
Yeah. But this one is not the best because this one is only 500 feet at 1,000 yards. So there's other ones that are better. You can see farther. But this one is just like very basic.
I mean, a farther that different country.
Well, I don't think you could see to other countries, but you could probably see all the way to Two Rivers better. Yeah, you could see farther, but this one we can only see to the lighthouse. You can kind of see to Two Rivers, but with all the fog and all the stuff too, you can't really see that well. So
yeah, because there's a lot of trees.
Yeah.
Kachupa, tinitignan namin yung boat. Hindi ba kachupa? Every time I see this, every time I see like this beautiful beach, I feel like we're in the Boracay again.
You miss Boracay?
Yeah.
What did you like about it most?
The sand, the clean, the ocean, so bright. Kachupa, gusto ko bumalik sa Boracay. Kaya lang mga kachupa, nakapunta na kami. Ayoko naman na ano. Kaya lang mga kachupa, ang plano ko, gusto ko mag-ipon ng pera. Para sana kahit papano, pagka umuwi kami sa Pinas, makaipon ako. Maka-stay kami sa ano, sa magandang hotel, 5-star hotel. And then madala ko yung buong pamilya ko. Diba? Yun lang, kung papalain tayo ng Panginoon.
If there was airplanes in the sky.
Yeah.
No.
It's good if there's a plane now.
Yeah.
Kachupa, oh, very, very beautiful talaga. Wala masyadong ano, kachupa, wala masyadong lamok. Usually pag ganito, di ba maraming lamok? Ngayon wala. Very mainit kasi ngayon, yo. Hindi siya masyadong cloudy, very blue sky. Oh, di ba, kachupa. Pag dito kayo tumira sa Wisconsin, malapit kayo sa lake, at tupilin mo kachupa. Kaya lang pagka may snow, ano dito masyadong malamig. Yun lang ano. Pero pagka ano naman na, pagka summer na, okay naman. Snow nga lang. How many months is snow here? 4 months?
Well, 5 to 6, maybe 7 months sometimes.
Snow?
Yeah, it just depends.
Haba pala ng snow dito. Pero nakaraan mga katupa, mga nakaraang taon, December, nag-snow, natapos ang snow ng mga April. No, B? The snow finish April, no?
Usually around May.
May? April, May. Oh, mga ganun mga kachupa. Kasi nung after naman ng May, yan, nag-start ng June, summer.
June usually starts to get warm, and then July it's hot. August,
so it's kind of like 6 months cold, 6 months hot. No.
Yeah, something like that. 6 months good weather, 6 months cold. Because in June it starts to get warm, and then July hot, August hot, September is starting a little cooler, October is cooler, and then November it's cold again. So. But I think my favorite time of the year is usually around September, late August and September, because that's when it's still very sunny out like this, it's bright, but it also has a lot of cool breeze. So it's actually very perfect. There's a lot of green. There's different colors.
I don't like cold.
No, it's just cool. It's not cold. And then during the July and August, it's very hot and humid. So I don't like it as much.
I like July. Ito July na ngayon, mga kachupa. First week. July 1 na now.
Yeah, we're July 1st today. We're the first day of July.
Yeah.
So that's why it's warm and humid. You see how hot it was this afternoon?
It's so hot. Kaya lagi na kami nagbubukas ng AC, mga kachupa. Kaya lalaki na naman ang kuryente natin.
Turning the AC on.
Ganda talaga, mga kachupa. Kung gusto nyo lumipat dito, mga kachupa, very worth it. Yun nga lang, kung gusto nyo rin ng snow, okay rin. Kaya lang kasi mga kachupa, ayoko ng snow.
These birds are just sitting over there.
Kaya nga sabi ko sa asawa ko, kung nagkapera, kung lalaanin lang ng Panginoon, na pag nagkapera kami, every snow, lipat kami sa Pinas, no? Kung ganun lang maraming pera, mahal kasi ngayon ang pamasahe na sa 100. How much pa go Philippines?
To go to the Philippines, it's about 100,000.
One back on forth?
Yeah, two-way ticket. So it's like 50,000 each way.
Medyo mahal pala. So ay mga ka-show pa. Magre-refreshing muna kami rito. Kausapin namin yung mga sarili namin. Ganda talaga ng thank you Lord sa magandang lugar na binigay niyo sa amin, ganyan. Dito kami nakatira sa tahimik, friendly neighbor. Ay mga kachupa, yun ay ang taas na yan, yung mga bahay na dyan. Kaya pagka pumunta ka doon, makikita mo to, ang ganda. Doon kami lagi natambay sa taas. Doon sa na yan, dyan sa neighborhood na yan, dyan yan, sa taas na yan. Pag pumunta ka dyan, mga kachupa, naku, ang ganda-ganda dyan. Chupa, may tumo. Merong plant dito, mga chupa. Huwag nating bunutin. Ala! Somebody just put it like this. Okay. Hindi ko binunot yan, baka mamaya sabihin binunot si Sinok. It's not real. So, walang plants dyan.
Okay, so here's what Google says.
What Google says?
Google says, while Lake Michigan itself is a natural lake formed by glaciers, part of its shoreline, particularly around Chicago, have been significantly altered by human activity, making them man-made. So part of it is man-made, I guess, but it was probably originally formed by like ice glaciers.
Ice?
Yeah, that's what glaciers are.
Because there's a lot of ice here?
Yeah, additionally, there are several smaller, entirely man-made lakes within the Lake Michigan watershed after created by dams. So, I guess it's a little bit of both. It naturally formed, but man also contributed. So it's a little bit of both. But that's what everybody else is saying, because when I first saw it, I was like, no, it can't be man-made. It's too big.
Yeah.
But
so it's man-made and natural.
I guess it started out natural, and then they probably keep adding to it, make it bigger and bigger and bigger, and now it's just really big. Maybe in the beginning it wasn't as big. It was formed by ice glaciers, and then they just expanded and made it bigger. They created all these beach. So this beach is probably not natural. They just created it as it's added onto it.
Kaya makachupa, akit na tayo. Pakita natin yung taas. Ito pa ang pakayat. Okay, nandito na tayo. Ayun kitang baby, oh. Init. So, ganyan siya makachupa. Kung titignan mo, kung nandito ka nasa taas ka, ganyan ang itsura niya. Yeah, very nice. Nandito kami ngayon sa playground. Why they call Red Arrow here?
It's called a Red Arrow Park. It's based after some military.
Makachupa. Tawag dito Red Arrow Park, ha? Makachupa. Pagka pumunta kayo dito, ha? Maglaro kayo.
Red Arrow. Red Arrow.
Red
It's based after like a military area.
Oh, tapos meron pa doon na, what's it called?
Over there? It's a soccer field. No, that's a baseball field.
A baseball field, and then doon yung beach. Ayan, makachupa. Tinur ko na kayo. Para in case na pumunta kayo rito. Yes.
Guns over there. There's a cannon over there.
Tanda na itong lugar na ito, mga kachupa. Okay, maglaro muna tayong zipline. Buti pa dito may zipline. Baby, you gonna play? There's a kid, oh. I'll wait for you here.
Get on it first.
Me?
Get on it?
You first. Mainit. So, ayun na makachupa yung kanyang playground dito. Ito yung pinakagusto ko makachupa. Yung zipline nila. Kaya lang, konti lang yung naglalaro dito kasi konti lang yung mga tao rito. Lakas ng amat ng asawa ko. Lakas ng amat. Hi. Hi. My baby. Like it?
You want to try it?
How am I gonna get this?
Put your legs up there.
No, there's a sandwich.
Yes.
Show the sandwich.
It's probably that little kid. She dropped it.
Am I gonna see it? B?
Take your shoes off. Maybe it's better if you take your shoes off. I mean, you can sit if you want. Anyway, how you're comfortable.
Sige, kaya mo yan. Lakas ang amat. So, bumalik sa pagkabata. Oh. You want more? I'll carry you. Push ko lang.
It's too heavy for you? Let me know.
Happy.
Keep going.
Yung little kid was laughing at you. Isip bata muna kami ngayon ng asawa ko.
Hold yourself. Okay. Good. Let's go.
Yung bata, wala magawa. It hurts on your feet?
Okay. You don't want to walk on it every day.
Yeah. But I wish they don't put like that here on the playground. No.
Well, they do that so kids don't get hurt. Because if they put the cement, they're going to get hurt.
And they're going to hurt their feet there.
Well, you're supposed to have shoes on. So this is in case of kids trip and fall.
Okay. Actually pa, ito yung playground. Bumalik ulit kami dito kasi medyo maganda yung aming weather. So, ayan po. Yes! Ang linis na mga kachupa. I said it's very clean here.
Keep it clean somewhat.
Tingnan natin yung bata. Let's see the little guy.
The kids are pro. They're try.
Yes. Yeah.
Reach up this, I could just sit.
Oh, I wish there's something like that in the Philippines, no?
If they did, that'd be pretty cool. This is actually a new addition.
Here?
They never had this. They never had the zip line here before.
Ang ganda rito, kachopa. Promise, hindi kayo magsisisi lumipat. Lumipat na kayo rito. Tapos kuha kayo ng bahay malapit sa amin. Para may kapitbahay na ako. Actually, may mga kapitbahay naman ako. Kaya lang mga kachopa, hindi ko sila masyadong close. Hindi tulad sa Pinas na matuturing mong pamilya, kaibigan, best friend, mga ganon. Dito, walang pakialamanan. Kaya sabi ko, sana makahanap ako ng ano na talagang... Meron naman ako mga kaibigan na, kaya lang malalayo yung mga bahay nila. Kailangan mo kotsehin, hindi mo pwede lakarin, ganon. Sana yung ano lang, no, yung katabi lang ng bahay namin, ganon. So, ganda rito, kachopa. Fresh air. Kasi makikita mo, puro puno. Ano, what do you see?
Just look at the address in the mailbox. See if I can see it. I can see it. 1954.
Yeah, may neighbor. Diba? Ang linis mga kachupa. Wala makapalat-balat ng mga chichirya. Kasi bawat sulok may mga lagay ng basurahan. Diba? I wish they have ano dito. I wish they have bazaar here.
What's
like,
that?
Like in the Philippines, if there's a beautiful park like this, they put some tent and then they put some selling hot dog, barbecue, bazaar. They sell some wallet, ek, mga ganon. Diba? Yung mga katulad ng Changi. Dito wala.
There's a lot of people. I guess it wouldn't be a bad idea. They could grill out and sell. But here in the United States, it's not like that. In your country, anybody could do it. You can just sell stuff on the street and it's okay.
Yeah.
Here, you can't just do that. You have to have some kind of a license or permission. Like you can't just take a food truck and park it in a Walmart parking lot and sell it. You know, like that. That's why I asked a lady, and she said it took them a long time for Walmart to finally let them do it.
She said?
Yeah. They've been trying to ask for a long time. I think she said 20 weeks or something like that. So that was around 5 months.
Tagal pa lang. Pero I think it's better to have a business here, barbecue, because there's a lot of people going in the by the bay. Is it called by the bay or by the lake? No,
that's just a lake.
Yo, mga kachupa.
A bay is like a lake, but a bay is much deeper.
I think that's the one restaurant I always smell.
You think so?
Bukas para mga kachupa mag-ano kami, mag-barbecue. I wanna buy the pork so we can make barbecue.
Barbecue tomorrow.
Bili rin ako lettuce.
We could do that. Do you have any more barbecue sauce at home?
Yeah, I do. Kailangan ko lang ng barbecue, pork barbecue, something lang ganun. Meron naman ako mga stick doon, meron pa kaming uling, meron pa kaming gas. So, yun.
Oh, I'm gonna buy some purple rice too then. You can make that, and then you can smoke the meat tomorrow, grill it. So when I get off work, then it's gonna be ready.
Okay, ang ganda. I'm so happy we live here. Very green, very nice, peaceful. Ang ganda ng ng klima. Ay, hindi siya very populated. Hindi siya maraming usok, sariwang hangin, fresh air.
It's very clean compared to Manila. Manila has a lot of garbage. There's hardly any green.
Yeah.
Because it's what they call a metropolitan. Like it's like a really big crowded city with millions of people. So they have to remove all those. But when you live in a small town, this is what I like about Manitowoc. During the nice season, then it's always nice out.
Kaya sabi nga ng asawa ko, mga kachopa, in case na alam mo yun, hindi na maganda ang US, may ibabalikan kami sa Pinas. Pero ang gusto niya, kung sakaling titira kami, lilipat kami sa Pinas, yung mga bandang probinsya, ayaw na namin sa Maynila. Ayun, mga kachopa, mga Batangas, Tagaytay. Where do you wanna live if we're gonna move in the Philippines?
Probably Tagaytay.
Tagaytay, no? Laguna, mga ganun. Gusto niya kasi sa Tagaytay, mga kachopa, kasi pinasyal ko siya doon.
There is an active volcano. I don't know, that's just a risk you have to take.
Yeah. But it was so small.
Because if you're always afraid something's gonna happen, I guess you're just not gonna move there.
Yeah.
And chances are it may not even erupt, you know. Sometimes it takes hundreds of years before they erupt.
Yeah.
Like when we were living in Oregon, in Portland, Oregon, the city that we lived there, there's a big volcano that's nearby there too. It's called Mount St. Helens.
Huh? And you're near your house? Your house?
Well, it's not near my house, but it's close to the city. So if it ever erupts, the whole city would be affected. But you know, they say that that mountain has been smoking for years and years, and like it has not erupted. You know, they're just predicting that it may erupt any time, and no one will know. But I lived there for 2 years, and it's fine. But I think if we're just gonna retire there and we build a house there, and I'm already old, I don't think it's gonna matter that much. You know, I may live my entire lifetime and nothing will ever happen. And then, you know, after the fact, you know, when I'm gone, if you decide you want to sell the house, you can always just sell it and move elsewhere too. So if the Philippines is not good, I think the second choice is Japan. We'll see what the future holds.
No.
If I do ever move to Japan, it would be off in one of the small islands. It wouldn't be in the city. Because in their island, it's very peaceful too. It's like this. It's very quiet, small population, lots of green. You know,
very fresh air.
Very fresh. But if you live in a city, it's just like Manila. It's very crowded, very polluted, all buildings very loud. I don't want to retire in a place like that.
Yeah.
But we'll see what the future holds. You know, if the Philippines is still good in 25 years, I may consider it. Because I know that the medical expenses here in the United States, it's not going to go down. It's only going to continue to go up. It's not going to go down.
Oh, mga kasyupa, malaki kasi ang dito, medical expenses dito sa US. Kaya, sa Philippines din, in the Philippines, they have insurance too. But it's depend on you. What insurance you're
I'm sure that it's still a lot cheaper than what we have here. And even if you don't have insurance, you know, a hospital visit still wouldn't cost as much as the insurance here.
Yeah.
Yeah, the insurance here is not good. You ask anybody, it's not good. None of the healthcare here is good. They charge you like almost 90% and they cover like very little coverage.
Hi mga kachupa, nandito kami sa Ann's Market. Ito mga kachupa, titingin kami ng pag-ulam namin for tomorrow. Bibili na mga veggie. Ann's Asian Market. Alam mo kachupa, wala ritong Filipino store. Kaya maganda rin nagpa-tayo dito ng ano. Ito ano ko. Ganda lang tayong ginger. Wala na tayong ginger. Baby, can you get this? Meron sila hot food though, babe. They have hot food.
You hungry? You want some hot food? Just one ginger?
I don't wanna be I need this one. Wala tayong garlic. Kailangan natin ng garlic. $3.99. Tapos may papaya sila. Ibang papaya. Ivy, I want this one. Papaya. And I have pork.
You want that one?
You and me share, or chicken?
Sure, it's up to you, babe. This is $7.88.
And then one chicken. So I'm not gonna cook today.
Okay. Oh, little. Want some rice?
Yeah, they don't. Hey, ask if they have papaya salad.
No, I don't want to buy the papaya salad.
Okay. And then, asan yung pork dito?
Where did you buy the good papaya salad last time?
Ann's store.
You mean Ann's Noodle?
Yeah. Oh, no, in the Shiboy.
Oh, yeah, it's all the way there.
Ito may pork sila. $9.
You want to cut that up and then grill it?
Oh, is that the one that you want to grill?
Yeah, you want to grill the pork, don't you? Or you want to cook it?
Can I buy two? Yay!
You like pork.
And then veggies.
Actually, you don't like pork.
Ayun o, ay ditong daw sila ang trobe.
Oh. No, cilantro. Let's get the green onions here, though. The green onion here is good.
Okay.
No cilantro.
Gusto mong talong, babe? I want this one. Yep.
What is that again?
I don't know in English. Bitter gourd. Okay, like that.
We'll have to, if you really want cilantro, we'll have to go to Walmart to get it. I don't want to drive over there, but... You know, I'll get it tomorrow when I come back from work because it's near my work. Walmart's near my work, I'll get it.
Wala sila. Ay, Bio, they have ice cream, the one that we want to. Parang gusto ko kumuha ng kangkong. The ice cream you want?
The fancy ones?
Yeah, yeah. Ano ba to? Pechay ba to? May kangkong sila isa. Next time na yung kangkong. And then, ano pa ba bibili natin? Ano pa ba? Ito puro mga Taiwanese eh. Thailand, Hmong. Wala na yung bagoong nila dito. They don't have bagoong.
Chili?
Yeah, where is it? Do we still have? I think we still have. No, inside the fridge.
We probably still have. There's a lot.
Yeah. I think I wanna buy beef.
What is that?
No.
Instant beef flavor paste.
They have a small one. Here, oh.
This is for pho.
You. Pho.
No, this is for pho. You want to make pho? I mean, you can add it to other broth too. It's just to make beef flavor, but this is mostly for pho.
Okay.
This is for pho. This is for pho. You still want it?
Maybe next time if I do my pho. Ay, they have turmeric na. Ay, Terry.
Hey!
Hi!
Hey, she's here too.
There's Ate Princess, oh. Meron sila bio turmeric powder.
Turmeric powder. Do they have a small one? Get the small one.
Curry. This is curry.
No,
Yeah, this one.
The small one.
This is for tea. Because I like to make a tea. Turmeric. No.
Yeah, this is 4 ounce. Just get this. If you're just adding it to the tea.
Okay.
And then when you're done, we'll get more.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah. Kachupa, oh, ang ganda naman ng ano na to. May genie lalabas eh pagka dito kang nagluto. B, what is this? If you cook here, genie is coming out here.
Yeah. That's for...
It's cute. Ang ganda. Dito ako bumili ng ano, ng pang-stickerize namin. Yan. Balik na kami. Tapos na kami. How? How? Nothing.
You wanna eat? You wanna eat?
Meow. So mga kachupa, kawilam namin. Ito yung mga pinamili namin. Bumili ako ng mga ng ganito mga kachupa para in case na nadidepress ako. Nadidepress kumain ng bulldog. And then bumili rin ako ng panyempo tomorrow. Yes, mag-yempo tayo tomorrow. And then bumili kami ng veggies. Favorite na asawa ko sa mga ilaw. Medyo. And then, bumili rin tayo ng papaya para maganda yung ating katawan. Yan. Mahilig ako sa papaya ng kachupa kasi yung papaya maraming nutrients na binibigay sa katawan, sa buhok, sa pag-uugali. Charot. Kaya bumili rin ako nito. And then, bumili ako ng bawang kasi yung bawang sa Walmart hindi siya masyadong maganda. Saka magkano ba yung kasama? Okay, 112. Hello, mahal. 112. 112 na po, mga katupaw. Oh, pero kakain kami ngayon. Ito yung ulam namin. Bumili kami ng drinks. And then, ito na yung aming dinner. Kakain sana kami sa labas. Sabi ko sa asawa ko, wag na. Kumain na lang tayo dito sa loob ng bahay. Kasi may kanin pa naman. Bumili rin ako nito. Onion ring. Ay, ano onion ring? Onion ring. And then, yung ating pangsigang, gabi. And then, yung drinks ng asawa ko. Favorite niya itong mga kachupa. Hindi naman masarap. Pero siguro sa kanya masarap. Pero sa akin kasi hindi siya masyadong masarap. Hindi siya kasi ganun katamis. And then, bumili ako ng turmeric powder kasi turmeric dati sa Pilipinas ang ginagamit ko mga kachopa. Hindi ako nagkakape, hindi ako nagmamilo, nagagatas. Ang turmeric ang gamit ko kaya yung akin yung mga akin skin medyo maganda. Type or pekla. At ay bubili tayo ng luya, ginger, lagay natin dyan. Lagay rin natin dito. And then, bumili kami ng ampalaya. Mag-ampalaya ako. And then, bumili rin kami ng sticky rice for tomorrow. Sticky rice for tomorrow. Ilagay ko muna ito sa fridge, mga kachopa. Nick, you wanna eat?
He said he ate already.
Okay.
It's halfway through the year.
Let's do Tigas ng buto. Isang salita lang. Bango ng bebe ko ah. Bango ng bebe.
There's worse. Yeah, of course. There are other jobs that are she told her about the job and relax.
Pantot ka pala.
You don't work. You're not your own. There's something that was you should cook on me. But it's good. That's up to you. I don't have to take breaks. That's all it seems. And like I said, there's worse. And you're getting it. Unless they come in here to pick it up. No, they're not gonna do that.
Tapos na akong kumain ng dinner. Naglaro na naman kami ng Monopoly. Na-addict na sa Monopoly. Yes, addict na to. Pero maganda maglaro ng
Hey, you never played this in the Philippines?
No, this is my first time. That's why I like it.
When you discovered this game, what did you think?
I like it.
It's so
fun. Yeah.
I think it's funner. Next time we go back to the Philippines, we're gonna bring so we can play with your family. I'll show
This one? You're gonna buy?
Yeah, Monopoly.
Okay.
Okay.
Yay!
You guys are done. Go ahead, continue.
Alright.
Mga kachupa po si Kiki. Ayan, ganyan po yung niya, peg niya ngayon. Ayan, gusto niya kachupa habang naglalaro ako rito. Ow! Ow! Very fresh.
B, it's your turn.